Do you like to play games on your computers or on the mobiles? So one day, even Rohan was playing a very interesting game on his computer, and he had already scored 50 points. He saw that in order to cross the first level, he needs to score 80 points. So he wanted to find out how many more points does he need to cross level 1. So what do we need to do to find out how many more points does he need? We need to subtract. So he wants 80 points and he already has scored 50 points. So we need to subtract 50 from 80. So let's do that. And how do we do that? Well, we first subtract the ones digit from the ones digit. 0 minus 0 gives us 0. So I have 0 in the ones digit, and then we subtract the tens digit. So 8 minus 5 gives us 3. So Rohan needs to score 30 more points to cross level 1. So Rohan indeed scored 30 more points and he crossed level 1. Then he saw that in order to cross level 2, he needs to score 190 points. Now he wanted to see how many more points does he need to cross level 2. So for that, he needs to find 190 minus 80, but he does not know how to subtract from a 3-digit number. That is, how to subtract a 2-digit number from a 3-digit number. So let's help him out. So we place the digits in their respective rooms. So in 190, I have 1 hundreds, 9 tens and 0 ones, and 80 is 8 tens and 0 ones. So like we did in 2-digit subtraction, I start with the ones room. So I first subtract the numbers or the digits in the ones room. So 0 minus 0 gives me 0. 9 minus 8 gives me 1. After ones room, I go to the tens room. So 9 minus 8 gives me 1. And what happens after tens room? I will go to the hundreds room. So this room, that is the room to the left, should be subtracted at the end. So we start from the right and keep moving left. So I have 1 here and I have nothing here. So nothing means 0. So I have nothing here means I have 0 here. 1 minus 0 is 1. So the answer is 110, 110. So these are the points which Rohan needs to score in order to cross level 2. So he needs 110 more points to cross level 2. So now that you have learned how to subtract 3-digit numbers, let's subtract these two numbers. So where do we start? I start with the ones room. And see, instead of hundreds, tens and ones, we have written H, T and O. So I start with the ones room and first subtract the digits in the ones room. I have 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. So I have 1 here. In the tens room, that is after ones room, I go to the tens room. In the tens room, I have 9 minus 0. 9 minus 0 is 9. And after the tens room, I go to the hundreds room. In hundreds room, I have 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So I get 1 here. So the answer is 1, 9, 1. 1 in the hundreds room, 9 in the tens room, and 1 in the ones room. This is 191. This is the difference. Of these two numbers, or this is the answer of subtraction. Now I need to subtract these two numbers, 676 and 653. How do I do that? First, I place the digits in their respective rooms. Then I start with the ones room. In the ones room, I have 6 minus 3. So 6 minus 3 gives me 3. Then I move to the tens room. In the tens room, I have 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 gives me 2. Then I move to the hundreds room. In hundreds room, I have 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6 gives me 0. So what is my answer? 0, 2, 3, or I can say 23. So the answer is 23. So we see that subtracting two 3-digit numbers, I have got the answer as a 2-digit number, which is possible. So this is the difference of these two 3-digit numbers. 23 is the answer. Now can you try out this one on your own? So where do you start? You start with the ones room. In ones room, I have 8 and 0. So I have to do 8 minus 0. 8 minus 0 is 8. So I write an 8 here. In the tens room, I have 7 and 7. So 7 minus 7 is what? 0. So I have a 0 here. And in the hundreds room, I have 7 minus 3. So 7 minus 3 is 4. So I have a 4 here. So my answer is 408 or 408. This is the difference of these two numbers or the answer of this subtraction. So 408 is the answer when you subtract these two 3-digit numbers. So this is how you can subtract 3-digit numbers. It is very similar to how you subtract 2-digit numbers. So take some 3-digit numbers and practice subtraction. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.